Traders, if you have a look at the video that I did yesterday on Bitcoin, I did exactly this. I drew this. If you go back there, you'll see it. Hang on, let's just quickly find it because I want to show you something. This is really, really important. I think this is the video. Okay, this is the drawing that I did here. So let's go back now to this chart. And what that drawing was about was I'm waiting for the run on liquidity, right? This is range bound and I'm looking for the run on liquidity, and then I'm looking for this to start trending, and then I'm going to get involved, right? So let's have a quick look at that video again. There was the range, that's the run on liquidity, and then I'm looking for this price action, right? We got that. And if you went off my video yesterday, my gosh, I mean, we're looking at what, possible 5, 6, 7 gain. Kudos to you if you took that trade. Well done. So where to next? Okay, here's the thing. We've got this price action on the 15-minute chart, right? And I'm always looking for, if we go down the time frame, for example, grab the Fibonacci. And, when I'm looking for an entry point, it's always going to be pulling at swing low, swing high. And I want the pullback into my sweet spot, the 50 to 61.8 fib. All right, on every time frame. So if it's a 15-minute that I'm focusing on, there's my pullback into the 50% right there. Okay, so everywhere along here, I can do that. Now, why will I not enter here long? Why not? Let me show you something. Kill the drawings. We're going to go out to a 4-hour chart. You always need to know what the draw on liquidity is, where it's heading, and where it might react. So this is currently the swing, right? Have a look back in here, and we pull this through. This is big resistance. So what we have here is liquidity in the form of buy stops resting all through here, big time, right? Buy stops, liquidity pool all through here. So this is trading into this liquidity. I would expect that, there's enough in here to make this, to cause this to retrace. So my 15-minute time frame thing is a little bit out the window when you're trading into a big level like this. So let's have a look at the price swings on the 4H. We have a low here. I'm looking at these 4-hour price swings now. I've got, well, that's a price swing low right there. And then we have a price swing high here. Fair enough. Swing low. All right. And I'm going to pull my Fibonacci from maybe this low to high. I'm not so sure at the moment. Let me just go down to a 15 and let's have a look at that. What does it look like? Yeah, it's a little bit tight, guys. I'm probably inclined to see if we get a deeper pullback, and I'm going to pull my fib from this previous low. Disregarding that, I'm a lot more comfortable with this price swing, given that we're trading into this liquidity pool. I'm going to be looking for an entry point in around here somewhere. So what I want to see now is this to break structure bearish, trade back down, find support, and then give me a reason to get long again. So this is the price action I'm waiting on. Okay, I don't want to get involved with that. I want to see it trend down like so. And then it's got to find support. And similar to this here, where we see this, okay, I want to see it trend down. I want to see it range. And then I want to see the run on liquidity and the expansion. So that's what I'm looking for here, the trend down, the range, the run on liquidity, and the expansion. And then I'm looking for another entry point long. Now I have a full trading system that gives me this information instantly. I don't have to think about it. I know when this is trending, when it breaks structure, and you need to try to automate as best you can to optimize your trading experience, right? I have all that. I have my strategies, I got my system, and I invite you to, if you haven't already, follow me. That would be wonderful, and watch my videos. I'm sure you'll gain something from it. Take what's useful, discard the rest. Leave a comment below, guys. I would love to hear your thoughts on this, but that's my plan of attack with Bitcoin. I want to see the pullback. If it fails to pull back, I'll let it go for now, because the next thing, like if it fails to pull back, the next thing would be it would have to break here and retest and fail there. It would have to break, retest and fail, and then continue on, and then that could be an entry point. But more importantly, I'm thinking I want to see the pullback. So anyway, that's another video. If it doesn't pull back, then I'll let it go and we'll wait for the next opportunity. You know, what I want to do now, what I want to do now is show you what's possible. Let's just introduce a couple of indicators here. The HTF, 15-minute time frame. This one, okay, this was yesterday. Look at all these buy signals. Admittedly, we don't have a shaded zone on the HTF. All right, now you could get aggressive and you could have gone with these signals, building your position all the way. Don't buy up here. Okay, we get in early when the signals start to kick in. But you know, I've been saying in my recent videos to ignore these signals, and we wait for everything to come together. And let me just show you what that looks like. Okay, this was all right. So this is okay. Just coming back here. This was yesterday. So we're looking for, you know, and as I said, you can get aggressive if you like. You see the bars are red. The candles are red. They turn green. I mean, you can go with that. But more importantly, I think, let's just clear some of these drawings. Now, we wait for a little bit more confirmation. Sell signal, HTF kicks in. Like, this is a perfect time to get involved short right there when we have this red zone, red shaded zone in the background. And you get involved early on when the shaded zone kicks in, and we use the 4-hour time frame strategy, right? So you'd want to be careful down in here, but on the 4-hour we got swing high, swing low, retrace. See that? So that's what you'd see on the 4H. And then when these signals kick in here, that's the opportunity there, right? It's the 4-hour retrace. So let's have a look at that. What does it look like? See that? So the 4-hour is trending down, and that's the opportunity there. So that gives you a much more precise entry point. So see here how this is actually fairly precarious, and this is why we don't have the green shaded zone yet. This is still bearish. It's still trending under the cloud, and we don't have a break of structure. Well, we don't have a break above this level yet. Now, if this continues up into here, the green shaded zone will most likely kick in on the 15M. So let's just have a quick look at that. Now, we want to get through this resistance up into here, the retrace and retest of that. Look at the double top, guys. So this is what you want to be really careful of. The double top could turn this around and it could head south for all we know. So it's always better now to wait for this to continue, the green zone to kick in, and that could be an opportunity to get long Bitcoin there. Right, that's it in a nutshell, guys. That's Bitcoin. Jump on board if you haven't already. You've got a full 2 weeks or 30 days to try all my indicators and my trading system free of charge. All right, here's a word from my sponsor, me. Go to my website, go to the free trial, scroll down. You can choose any of these. Click on gold, scroll down, click on gold again. There's gold star, join here. This takes you to my WAP landing page, and you'll be able to scroll down and start the free trial. Most important is once you start it, come back to the WAP landing page, click on this. This gives you my Telegram VIP Forex login. Okay, this one here gives you my crypto VIP login, so you can gain instant access to my VIP Telegram channels, my trading view indicators. Click here, claim the indicators. You gain instant access, guys, and then the rest. So, you know, scroll to the right, scroll to the left. Okay, gain access today. Just scroll down my WAP landing page. You can select either this one or that one over here. This is a 30-day trial, and I invite you to cover the monthly subscription in the 14-day or the 30-day trial so that it's free forever. Here's what you get. All the way down here, get access, and that will get you that'll give you instant access. There's some more stuff if you want to have a look under here. There's also an affiliate program, 80% reward. All right, if you click that, you'll have access to my affiliate link. So, guys, jump on board, enjoy this journey with me and the rest of our community. And don't forget to click these links at the top here to gain access. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.